over
and judging.
Yeah! We are the cool kids.
I'm washing my edges and they are dirty.
And now I am going to put the wig on because it's like really light. And the brown part in the middle, I kind of don't like it at all.
I don't like it because it is too blonde, and the most part I like it about it is because it is shiny. Right now I'm putting some glue on my hair and I'm gonna dry it so it can be like a little dry and a little sticky for the wig.
And so it doesn't fall off in the wind.
It is bad because it's on my forehead and I don't think it's supposed to be. I do not like the brown in the middle part because it just looks very weird.
Like baby food. And like I'm just drying it out now to make sure it sticks so the wind doesn't like come out and blow it off.
So right now I'm just going to do my edges again. And then I'm gonna dry it a little bit and then put my wig on. And I love my eyes, my eyeshadow.
And I love how I do the makeup, but sometimes the makeup doesn't really match with the hair at all.
So right now I'm gonna dry it off some more so it can be dry and stuck on my wig so my wig cannot fall off and somebody finds my wig and just use it.
So if you come in a fight, it doesn't fall off like they pull it off.
So right now I am just gonna put some foam on my hair so it can be like a little bit wet, and because if I comb my hair, I don't want it to be dry and just feel so weird when somebody touches my hair. It'll be so dry. And right now I'm gonna take some hair off, like some of where my edges are, and I'm just gonna be cutting it.
And I'm gonna like cut all the dead end off it because on the sides they're not good at all.
Right now I'm gonna try. I want to do bangs, but no, because I don't think bangs are good for me in this wig. They just look awful.
And bangs are not good on this wig. They would not match like at all.
And right now, and I just like my eyebrows, just to say. The edges, I wish I could make them like a line kind of, instead of wavy like the water, because my hair just looks like the sun right now in the light. So yeah. And
the hair is like way too light. It looks so weird. I don't get it. It looks, I don't know how to explain it. It's so weird. No.
So right now I am just putting gel on my hair and just smoothing it out, and yeah, and I look like a ninja on this black headband. So right now I'm just combing my hair so it can just be all smooth. When somebody plays with my hair, they'll be like, oh, is this your normal hair? I'll be like, do you think it is? Cause yes.
I would love to cut my hair because it's like way too long. And I don't like that. So I'm gonna cut my hair right now. I still don't like it, but then I do.
So right now I'm just combing my hair so they can be good and smooth, and I'm just adding bobby pins. I wouldn't wear it, would you?
Not even.
This is my first time trying blonde, and this is synthetic. I wouldn't wear this in public. No, I would not wear this. But like, this is too bright for me. I was able to wear it. Can y'all imagine what I can do with real hair? You know what? I'm gonna order real blonde. Let's see how it is. And y'all can see what I do, what I try to do. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe so you can see more videos of me trying. Bye.